Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be learning Stray Kids Divine. Now I learned this dance from the Mama Awards performance, but I closely watched Han, Felix, and it was so difficult not to watch Lino, but Lino was injured. But mind you, even though he was injured, he was doing the moves really well, so I have respect for him there. So let's get into the tutorial. We're going to start with the chorus. They say we vibing, reboot the world. So from here we go this, that, new, pop. We're gonna start from there. So what you're going to do is you're gonna step out with your right leg, and as you step out with your right leg, your hands are gonna go like this. So you're gonna go 1, and then you're gonna bring this leg up, and you're gonna go 2, and then your right hand's gonna come over your left hand. That's what most of them do. I see Bangchan doing that. I see Han doing that. Some of them put their left hand over their right hand. It really doesn't matter. But the move goes 1, 2. And as you do that, you're gonna go pop, pop. You're really gonna push your hand out there, okay? So you go 1, 2. And then we're gonna do the same move on the left. So we're gonna go 3, 4, okay? So they go this, that, new, pop, okay? And as we go pop on the second one, our right leg comes to the front. So our right leg comes to the front, our left leg goes to the back. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And we kind of slant diagonally when we do it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then your right leg comes to the front. So now that your right leg is at the front, you're gonna bend to the front and your arms are gonna come to the back. Okay, so they go, we make it right, we make it right. So as they do that, what they're doing here is their right leg is at the front and it's kind of going up as they're leaning to the front. So they're like that, and they're kind of looking down that way, okay? And the arms are coming, so some of them go like this, some of them go like that. It just really, it's like, you know, we're cool like that. It just really depends on which member you're looking at. So now that we stopped here, we make it right. We're gonna do the same hand movements again. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you do those hand movements, you're kind of tilting like this. And when you're doing that hand movements, it's very powerful. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So you're really pushing your hand out there. And what you're going to do is kind of look weird for one person to do it because they're all moving to different positions. They're moving like to the other side or to this side, but we're one person, so we're just going to do it on the same spot. So they go 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? It looks kind of weird. But when you put it with the hand movement, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. And as they do that, they kind of go like that, okay? So the hip kind of moves out. That's what I noticed for Ian. I also noticed that for Han a little bit, and for Felix as well. So they go 1, 2, 3, 4. After this part, pop, we're gonna take our hands and we're gonna go to the back, and our knees gonna bend. We make it right, we make it right, okay? So they're both like, we tough, we are tough. That's the kind of vibe that I get from what they're doing. That is basically part 1 of what I want to teach you now.
Okay, so let's try this in 0.5 times speed. I won't play the music due to copyright reasons, but I will guide you. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We make it right. We make it right. 1, 2, 3, 4. We make it right. We make it right. Okay, let's go to part 2.
We stopped here. Okay, we make it right. So from what I've seen from watching the fan cams, so they take their wrist like this, and it goes the right hand on top of the left hand, and it goes around and it goes down like this. So like that. Okay, I've seen like 2 members go like that, but I think the move is like that because that's what I've seen Han, Felix, Hyunjin do. So from here, we make it right. We make it right. Your hand's gonna go around like so, and as you do that, you're gonna bring your feet together. So we go 1 and 2. So your right leg, 1 and 2. So we make it right. Okay, now we're here. So the dances, I'm looking at the dances here, and I'm looking at Seungmin, and I'm looking at Han. Okay, sometimes Changbin as well. Seungmin has these, Seungmin has these hands like this. So your middle finger to your thumb like this. So he has these hands like this. Majority just keep it like this, but Seungmin has it like that. So I'm just gonna copy Seungmin here. Okay, we go like 1 and 2. From here, your right hand's gonna go turn and the back of your head and go to the back of your head. So it's gonna go around and around. And as you hit the back of your head, you're not hitting the back of your head, but you're going to the back of your head like this. So as you go twirl and around, this hand's gonna go out. So it's going 1 and 2. Okay, so da da da. What I noticed with their legs is they are standing apart a little bit, but they usually like go 1 and like they lean with their legs. So they're leaning that, and some of them like do this with their leg, but I'll show you that just now. Okay, so what you're doing with your hands, is you go around and 1, and that hand goes like that. Some of them go just straight out, some of them go like that. Then you're gonna go out like that, and as you go out like that, your body is going to lean. So you're gonna lean, look to the right, so lean, then your hands are gonna come like this, and you're gonna look to the left. And you're gonna go 1 more time, and the hand's going to the front, and then you're going up. And as you go up, you pick your leg up and you go pa. So you're gonna go cool. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's on 5 you're hitting. Okay, pa. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's dong yi do kung do da do, that part. So from here, we're gonna go, our hands gonna come around and it's gonna go out like this. Okay? What you're gonna do is you're gonna put that hand out and that hand's gonna come out like that. So, pow. Okay, so you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is gonna end on 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's gonna end like that. It's gonna end like that because you need to go up in the next move, okay? So from here, right, what you're going to do is you're going to take this hand up, and it's going to go up, and it's going to swirl up like that. Okay, so it's a whoop, right? And as you do that, your hand's going to go up like that, and you're going to look up as well. So you're looking up, and as you're looking up, this leg, the left leg, is coming up as well. So you're going ooh, up, okay? So from there, because the next move goes 1 and 2, da 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 da, okay? And then that's the dance. So from here, you're looking up, whoop, you're looking up. Your hands are going to go out. It's gonna come out. So you go up, 1 and 2. So left leg, right leg, right leg, left leg. Okay? So hands out, hands out. 1 and 2. So from here, right, they bring their hands down and they head down like this. So da 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 da. Okay? So clap, and as we do that, we bring our legs out like this. So it's kind of like da 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 da. Okay? So So they usually, some of them bring their right leg out first. So we're gonna follow that. Da, 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 da. And as we're in this position, we're gonna go jump. Okay? So we're gonna take our hands like that and we're gonna jump. And then we make it right. We make it right. They don't do anything. There.
Okay, let's try part 2 in 0.5 speed. We make it right. We make it twist and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1. Left, right, down and jump. Okay, so let's do the whole thing in 0.5 times speed. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We make it right. We make it right. Watch it go pop. We make it right. We make it twist and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1. Left, right, down and jump. So I completely forgot to record an outro, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did learn this dance with me, please comment down below how it went and let me know what other dance covers I should teach. I really appreciate all the comments, so I hope you guys have a great day. God bless and bye bye.